How to find your true calling in life. Ever wondered what your purpose in life was? Some of us will live our entire lives trying to figure out the purpose of our existence. While some will fail, others will succeed at finding it and making the best out of it. Surprisingly, there are those people who know their purpose but still choose to divert from them or it and drift through life. When you identify the purpose of your life, you tend to live a more meaningful existence than those who don't care to find theirs. You tend to live each day to the fullest because you know who you are, where you're coming from, and where you're going. Everyone needs a purpose, as purpose gives us a reason to wake up every day. In order to not become a burden to society, every civilian needs to find a way to not only provide for him or herself, he or she needs to find a way to add value to the world. Without harming others, not putting themselves at risk, most people are called to find legitimate ways to make money. This can be done through starting a business or through working a job. When you know your life's purpose, it becomes easier to focus on what matters the most in your life. By keeping the focus on one particular goal, you are able to find your direction and stay away from the distractions. Knowing your purpose helps you find your true passion, and the passion becomes an important driver for you to achieve something extraordinary. Whether it is a childhood dream or a newly adopted lifestyle, the passion will push you to reach your goals. People who know their purpose in life are unstoppable. They are true to their purpose and shape their life accordingly. People who don't know their purpose in life are not clear about what they want and therefore waste their time on futile things. Dear future entrepreneurs and moguls, here are 5 techniques you can use to find your purpose. Number 1, what you love, your passion. Passion produces more energy and stamina, which equals to being more productive. Passion motivates you through the stumbles, bumps, and failures that come with your journey. When there's passion involved, you work harder and stay longer after hours. Furthermore, what you love gives you a reason to keep learning and to keep working towards mastery. It can often give you a reason to travel and therefore to have the new experiences that are key to happiness. Moreover, it gives you something in common with other people and so fosters social bonds. It gives you purpose. Number 2, what the world needs, your mission. Knowing your purpose in life helps you live life with integrity. People who know their purpose in life know who they are, what they are, and why they are. And when you know yourself, it becomes easier to live a life that's true to your core values. With purpose comes values, which are an integral aspect of a person's life. Values are the rules that guide our decisions in life and help define our goals. They are what tell us when we are on the right path or wrong path and help us find and connect with others who share our way of viewing the world. Number three, what you're good at, your vocation. Many people seem to believe that purpose comes from your special gifts and sets you apart from other people. While there is some truth to that statement, the other side is that your vocation also grows from the connection you have with others. Hence why being isolated all the time isn't healthy and could potentially indicate a crisis of purpose. Once you find your vocation, you will almost certainly find others traveling along with you, hoping to reach the same destination as you. In other words, a community. Moreover, what you're good at will potentially change your life and change the lives of other people. Number four, what you can get paid for, your profession. A degree can just earn the job, but it cannot help to grow further without the skill. It is skill which attracts the employers, clients, and management, which lifts or drops the person. Once you identify what your knowledge, skills, and abilities are, you will be on the road to develop a better career objective. Certain job-specific skills are skills that you will use to perform a particular task. Additionally, mastering them will allow you to teach them to others, thus creating another source of income for you. These skills are often gained from specialized training and education or experience on the job. Number five, what you can teach, your education. In sharing what you learn with others, as soon as you learn it, you are able to see the knowledge from an objective perspective. Therefore, you are able to see gaps in what you know. Transform the knowledge so others will understand and create different ways of teaching what you already know. Moreover, by teaching what you already know about your profession or hobby, you will learn more, potentially gain some notoriety as an up and coming expert, make new connections with people, and find new opportunities. And you will have some fun. In conclusion, when you identify the purpose of your life, you tend to live a more meaningful existence than those who don't care to find theirs. You tend to live each day to the fullest because you know who you are, where you're coming from, and where you're going. Moreover, when you know your life's purpose, it becomes easier to focus on what matters the most in your life. By keeping the focus on one particular goal, you are able to find your direction and stay away from the distractions. The end. Thank you.